Natural sceneries, my one great poem. We are arrived, natural sceneries. We are arrived for the travel in the natural sceneries, cheered up to attracted to the natural sceneries. The greens, yellows, red, varieties colors in the natural sceneries. Green gardens, brightness, light, the rising sun, the different colors, flowers. The natural sceneries are very wonderful. Conversations. Hi Deva, what are you working? I am working as a teacher in the school. What is your school's name? My school's name is South Point School. How do you enjoy in the school? I am very enjoy with my new friends and teachings to my all students. Others conversations. Hi Reba, please open your book and you have listenings and take carefully pay attention to my instructions. I hope that you shall understand to it. Okay, sir. I have been listening and pay attention to your instructions. Please bring your copy. Yes, sir. It is my copy. There are some mistakes. Other conversations. Hi, Riva. Why are you late in this computer class? Sir, I was there also for arrives at timely, but I was stuck for the traffic jam. So I am unsuccessful for arrives at timely, but I am trying also for the next day. Yes. Hi Raki, how was your exams? My exams was not good, but you was preparations for the exams. But why your exams was not so good? I was trying also, so I was prepared good for these exams, but there are some difficult, uncommon questions, so my exams was not so good, so I am worried. Not worried, you should be trying also for the next exam. Okay, right suggestions. Hi Raki, how are you? I am not well. I am sick. What is the disease? Have you suffering? I am suffering for the fever and headache. So I feeling uncomfortable. I suggested to you that you should be an appointment for the doctors and you should be go to the doctors for recovery. Yes, it is the right suggestions. Myself, my name is Mimi Ghosh. I completed my MA and BA course. I like to study different varieties books and like to watch the TV programs. Hi sir, may I come in? Yes, come here. Why are you interested to participate in this job? I am interested because I am thinking that it is the best ideal job. How many years experience have you? 5 years experience. How much salaries deserve have you? I have deserved 30,000 salary.